For all the latest updates, subscribe to News 9.
Lieutenant Governor of Delhi Anil Baijal has asked Chief Secretary to ensure all healthcare facilities display availability of beds on boards outside the hospital. The hospitals will also have to display the charges for rooms and beds and details of contact persons for admission. The decision has been taken on the day when Delhi's tally for coronavirus positive cases crossed 30,000 mark. Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray demanded resumption of suburban train services in Mumbai for movement of staff on essential services duty and hinted that lockdown may continue if guidelines are not strictly followed by people. He said the COVID-19 threat still persists and asked people to avoid crowding and maintain social distancing. Rajasthan government has imposed restrictions on the movement of people at its state borders because of the surge in COVID-19 cases in the state. As per the restrictions, anyone who wants to leave the state will have to get a pass issued by district authorities and police. People entering the state, however, do not require a pass, but they have to go through screening at the border crossing. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has spoken about Corona Express remark which Union Home Minister Amit Shah attributed to her during his virtual rally on Tuesday. Amit Shah had said that Mamata Banerjee has called Shramik train Corona Express. At least 5 more terrorists affiliated to the Hizbul Mujahideen and Lashkar-e-Taiba were killed in a gun battle with security forces in South Kashmir's Sofian district on Wednesday. Hyderabad MP and AIMIM chief Asauddin Owaisi is looking to expand its footprint in Bihar during assembly elections later this year. The AIMIM chief has said it will contest 32 seats in the upcoming assembly election in Bihar. The party will put up candidates across 22 districts of Bihar. With increase in number of COVID-19 deaths in Delhi, the crematorium ground in Punjab Bagh has been reserved only to cremate victims of COVID-19. The national capital has registered over 905 deaths so far. The Indian Railways recorded its best ever safety performance during the past year with 0 passenger deaths due to rail accidents. While the Railways registered the best ever safety record between April 2019 and March 2020, there has been no deaths of rail passengers in any train accident in the subsequent period, also between April 1st and June 8 this year. Union Minister Smriti Irani has said that Congress's criticism about Digital India is boon for the BJP. During a virtual rally, she said that because of digital advancements, all the benefits are reaching to people during a time like this.